Here's what I have to work on today. I finally found out from our spoke to Jessica, our architect, yesterday, and it looks like Drew, our excavator, is getting ready to drop off equipment and get ready to do final excavation. We were out here the other night trying to fill these trenches up, and we thought Enbridge was going to use this trench for the gas, but find out they can't. They have to be 3 feet away, so they're going to have to go over here. They have to go over here. They have to do their own trench, which means that this all needs to be filled in. Unfortunately, the Mini X broke a drive gear, so I've got to get it moved. I've got to get the Polaris moved, the truck moved, so I have room to move in there. I got some other stuff got to move around. We hired or rented a Kubota skid steer from Red Belly Builders, I think it is, Brian Ballard. Thank you for being a sport and getting that out to us first thing this morning. We called late yesterday, and here it is. So I'm going to get some things fired up, warming up, and get them moved, and then hopefully get this done in the next few hours. So first thing, we're gonna get this guy started, hopefully let him warm up so I can get it at least moved out of the way. I know people don't like these little machines, but I tell you, it's worked pretty good for us. I'm not dissing them. Just put it that way. Is what it is. They all, have their little fucking quirks, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna see if we can get this guy started. I remember from the other day, you just need a little bit of gas. Got to get him choked out. Oh, come on. I don't know if it's got too much choke now. We'll try it again. Turn the choke back on. I don't know. I'll figure it out here. I smell gas, so it's not getting too much gas. Okay, it's running, so I'm just gonna let it sit there and rattle. And I'm gonna get the old 6.0 going. Now that it seems to be running consistently. I said the word. We'll see. I said consistently. We'll give her a shot this morning and see how the 6.0 does. Here we go. Let it sit here and warm up while I move the Polaris. Hopefully she starts first time. Let the glow plug come off. Alright, she says she's ready. Fingers crossed. Oh, she roars. Okay, we'll let that warm up. And then while that's warming up, I'm gonna get this thing moved, hopefully. Alright. Looks like we're in biz. As long as I can get myself out of here without hitting anything. So in order to do that, I've got to turn this off so I can look and see and everything. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side.